Simple Modular Architecture Research Tool, or SMART, is a powerful tool that aids researchers in organizing and managing their research projects. SMART is designed to be easy to use, yet versatile enough to handle a wide range of research projects. One of the key features of SMART is its modular architecture. This means that the tool is made up of a series of small, independent modules, each of which is focused on a specific aspect of the research process. For example, there are modules for managing references, organizing notes, and creating outlines. This modular approach allows researchers to customize SMART to meet their specific needs and to add or remove modules as their research projects evolve. Another important feature of SMART is its simplicity. The tool is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, with a clean and straightforward interface that makes it easy to find and use the various modules. This simplicity also extends to the way in which SMART handles data. All data is stored in plain text files, which makes it easy to share and collaborate with others, and ensures that researchers are not locked into a proprietary format. Despite its simplicity, SMART is a powerful tool that can handle even the most complex research projects. For example, the tool includes a powerful search function that allows researchers to quickly find and retrieve information from their notes and references. It also includes a flexible tagging system that makes it easy to categorize and organize data. Overall, SMART is an excellent tool for researchers who are looking for a flexible, easy-to-use, and powerful research management tool. Its modular architecture and simplicity make it an ideal choice for researchers of all levels, from students to seasoned professionals. Whether you are working on a small project or a large-scale research endeavor, SMART is an invaluable tool that can help you stay organized and focused on your research goals.